In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy ETFs on eToro. We'll go through the process from signing in to checking your investment in your portfolio, and I'll keep everything simple and easy to follow so you can confidently place your order. To begin, log into your eToro account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you're fully signed in before moving forward. Once you're inside the platform, you'll be ready to search for the ETF you want to buy. Next, go to the search bar and type in the name or ticker symbol of the ETF you're looking for. For example, you might search for VOO, which is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Using the ticker symbol is often the fastest way to find the exact fund you want, especially if several results have similar names. When the search results appear, click on the ETF you want. This will open the ETF's dedicated page where you can view more information about it before placing your trade. It's a good idea to take a quick look at the page so you can confirm you selected the right asset. Once you're on the ETF page, click the Trade button. This will open the order window where you can set up your purchase. This is the screen where you'll choose how much money you want to invest. Now, enter the investment amount. Type in the amount you want to put into the ETF, making sure it matches your budget and investing plan. Take a moment here to double-check the number you entered, since this is the amount that will be used for your purchase. After that, review the order settings carefully. Check the investment amount and any order details shown on the screen. This is an important step because it gives you a chance to confirm everything looks correct before you finalize the trade. If anything doesn't look right, you can adjust it before continuing. When you're satisfied with the details, click the green Buy button to place the order. This is the final confirmation step, and once you select it, your ETF purchase will be submitted through eToro. After the order is placed, open your portfolio to view your ETF position. This is where you can track your investment and confirm that the ETF has been added to your account. And that's it. That's how to buy ETFs on eToro. From signing in and searching for the fund to placing the order and viewing it in your portfolio. Thanks for watching.